Hello everyone and welcome to my art and cooking channel. This is Cynthia Maynard and thank you for stopping by, or if this is your first time. I am working in my Strathmore tone tan paper journal, and I think it's like 8.5 by 5.5-ish, and I'm using my colored pencils here. I was making some little sort of whimsical houses, and my plan was to go ahead and do these in color pencil and then go over them in oil pastel, but I just sort of stopped at the color pencil stage for this one. So basically that's that. But just going in and coloring. I love the effect of white also on this tone tan paper. It really makes the whiteness of your color pencil stand out. So if you haven't tried this paper, it's great for many medias, as long as it's not too heavy with the water. I've used my Inktense pencils on there activated. I've used oil pastels. I've used obviously color pencil, soft pastels, all sorts of things. So I'm working here mostly with my Prismacolors. I have a few of the sets and I'm working on getting the open stock individual. I have almost all of them now, not quite. I know that 2 of the purples were discontinued and replaced, so that threw me for a little bit. But if you get them open stock, there's certain ones I just use up more than others. And what's nice about these sets, even if you get duplicates, you can I feel like I'm using them up by the time I sharpen them several times, and that way you get a pencil at a good price point. If you get a good deal on the set, I should say. So just blocking in some color with some blues and things, and I love this cloud blue color here that's in my hand right now. It's really nice light blue color there. And I occasionally use polychromos from Faber-Castell, maybe if there's not a color that I have exactly. And I have a set of 200 cheapy pencils, but actually they're pretty decent cheapy pencils. But so every now and then, if I don't have the exact shade, I just go ahead and grab one of those. But most of the time, I'm reaching for my Prismacolors. I don't know, they're just the ones that I tend to gravitate toward. And I got the sharpener recently that sharpens really, really well. And that's been a help because my other one was doing weird things. And so got quite a sharp point. But the thing with Prismacolor is that they're soft core, so you got to be careful that you don't just break the points off. But other than that, they're very easy to use. I've got my colorless blender here that I am using. Yeah, just getting over COVID, so my voice is still a little weird, kind of hit me hard. Yeah, it's started off 2025 with a bang, I guess, but it is what it is, you know, you gotta be human. So, you know, I haven't been able to do a voiceover in a while, so I'm a little trying to play catch up here. So I think what I'll do is, as you watch the rest of this, if you'd like to stick around through the rest of the video, I'll play some music. Don't forget to hit those links down below and like, subscribe, and share the video. That is really a super, super help to artists who sometimes YouTube can just kind of go for the pushing out the videos that you know, people are interacting with. So please interact if you can. It's free to do so. So thank you so much, guys. Check out all the links, and I hope you have a blessed day. Enjoy the rest of the video.